We're out here at the pond. We're gonna do some canoe fishing. All right, we taking off right now. Let's get it. Yes, sir. That's easy. We got a crappie in the boat.
Nice little crappie.
I just got an absolute tank crappie into the boat. That's immediate dinner. That's a beast of a fish. We're gonna give it a weigh-in and a measurement. He's only a 0.79, but he's about 12 or 13 inches. Awesome fish going in the cooler. It's a yellow perch. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that's a fish.
Oh, he ain't even fighting like that.
Let's go.
Nice little bluegill.
Double up.
Oh,
Yeah. Oh, I just caught my first fish. It's a beast crappie. I'm hyped. We're gonna keep this one to bring home to eat. Got me a bluegill. It's an absolute tank. I just casted it out right here. Let's go. We just put a golden shiner in the boat. We were not expecting that.
Golden shiner. Let's get him with a release. Beautiful.
And I just brought my first shiner into the boat. Yes, sir. And we have our first bass in the boat of the whole day. All right, we got him off the hook and he lost the bass. First bass of the day. That was a sick catch. Second bass of the day.
Oh, he's a fat one. Nice little bass, not too big. He's kind of big, but nice little crappie.
Another yellow perch. Baby crappie.
Bluegill size crappie.
This one just put up a massive fight right here. Just gonna get him back. Yes, sir. Hey.
Nice bluegill. Good release on that boy.
I just put this nice yellow perch in the boat. We're gonna eat this one. This one's going in the cooler. I just put this tank bluegill into the boat. This thing's a beast, easily a state award. And unfortunately the hook went down its throat, so we might as well eat it.
He's big.
That's a big crappie right there. All right, yeah, you see we out here in the lily pads. We're slaying them. That one's out here, yes sir.
Perch.
Oh, let's go. I just caught me a state award, let's go.
Successful
yes, sir.
day of fishing.
Yeah, we got food for the family. We out here. We got them in the sink. We're about to cook them up. We got 3 crappie, 3 yellow perch, 2 bluegill in here. It's gonna be a good dinner. This one right here is still alive. We scaled and gutted the fish and got prepared to cook them. All right, we got it in the freezer. We got them ready and seasoned them and started cooking. This right here is some bluegill. This is my first time ever trying it and it was actually pretty good. Now I'm trying some yellow perch and this was by far my favorite. Here I tried some crappie and it was very good.